Welcome to Nell's Kitchen and Garden. Today, I'll be cooking one of my favorite Filipino food, which is the chicken adobo. Now, I'm here in my veggie patch garden and looking for a garlic to be used for my chicken adobo. We just have to wash and clean this up so that we can use it to our chicken adobo. First, you have to chop the garlic into very small pieces. It's up to you if you want chunks but I like this one. In my adobo, I love to have more garlic. I love the taste of garlic. I use a lot of garlic in my adobo. All my veggie scraps, I keep it for my worm farms. They're very useful for your veggie patch, good for fertilizing your vegetables garden for organic. Now I'm just washing the chicken. And this is the chicken ribs, a very tasty part of the chicken. Please subscribe to my channel. First, we place maybe 2 tablespoons of oil, and we're going to saute our garlic. So I love garlic. I place a lot of garlic in my adobo. And then I'll start placing the chicken ribs. Para naman sa ating mga kababayan na Pilipino, gisahin lang natin yung manok at bawang hanggat medyo hindi na siya mapula and maputi-puti na. Now we add the bay leaves. This gives a very aromatic smell of the adobo. Then add some peppercorns. I like to have a lot of bay leaves and peppercorns in my adobo. So lagyan ng natin ng daon ng laurel and paminta sa ating adobo. So just continue to saute and mix up the ingredients. So halo-halo lang in Tagalog hanggang medyo maluto na yung manok. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When the chicken is no longer pinkish in color, then we can add our vinegar. Add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of vinegar. Then we add our soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Continue to mix the vinegar and the soy sauce until they're fully combined with the mixture of the chicken and the sauce. Once all the ingredients have been fully combined, then we just have to let it simmer. Please subscribe to my channel. Occasionally, please check if the chicken has become cooked and tender. From time to time, you taste the sauce of your adobo just to check the balance of the sourness of the vinegar and the saltiness of the soy sauce. And in order to balance it, if it's too sour, you place some sugar. Using sugar makes your adobo more tastier, unless you want it a little bit salty. Continue to combine the sauce with the chicken so that the sugar will be fully mixed up with the sauce. So we simmer this again just to reduce the sauce, so that it will be a little bit thicker rather than feels like watery. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the final tasting. Yum! Sarap! Namit ya! Lamig yun kayo! So this is the version of my chicken adobo. I hope you like it and be able to cook it yourself one day. So better get ready with your rice, because this is best eaten with rice. This is what's left after dinner, so something for breakfast.